If you check the news, they're just saying like, I have to try not to cough because I'll shit my pants. For just $4.99, you can fuck the fuck off. Include shipping and handling. I think I have COVID. Fuck you, you cunt. Can't just go into any pharmacy. I can't go into public, right? Shut the fuck up. It's definitely not smart. I don't know. Now, I have to focus on not crapping myself, yeah, because if I cough, I'll shit my pants. So nasty. Fucking stupid. Actually, I can hardly breathe. Shut the fuck up soon. You people are raging about things that are not even true. Fucking full of fucking lies. Stupid. And I have to prove myself. Brain dead morons. Weirdly fucking obsessed. Weirdly obsessed. Okay? I don't know. Now, I have to focus on not crapping myself, yeah, because if I cough... Oh no.